In the mountains high and free,
far away.
brave warriors, they stand tall among the rice terraces green.
Far
They
away.
answer the battle call. Mayoyao's breath they hold in the fields
Far
where
away.
rivers flow, carving life from earth's soul mold. Their strength and honor show. Oh, the brave of Mayoyao, with hearts that never bow. In the terraces they sow seeds of tomorrow now.
Far away.
And every dawn they rise with pride to the songs of ancient days. Their heritage they will not hide.
Far away.
In the sun's first golden rays, skies above and soar below, hold the stories of their fight. Through the seasons they will go, guardians of the mountain light. Oh, the brave of Mayoyao, with hearts that never bow. In the terraces they sow seeds of tomorrow now. Skies above and soil below,
Far away.
hold the stories of their fight. Through the seasons they will go, guardians of the mountain light. Oh, the brave of Mayoyao, with hearts that never bow. In the terraces they sow seeds of tomorrow now. Oh, the brave of Mayoyao, with hearts that never bow.